Hello viewers, welcome to online class. I am going to talk about a very important poet, Matthew Arnold. Matthew Arnold was a great poet, critic, thinker, essayist of England. He impacted literature of the 20th century to a great extent in the field of poetry, criticism, and thoughts and ideas. This great personality was born on December 24, 2020 at Laleham, Middlesex, England. He died on April 15, 1888 at Liverpool, England. Matthew Arnold's father was Thomas Arnold. He was a very learned man, educationist, thinker, philosopher. He was the famous headmaster of Rugby School. Matthew Arnold attended that reputed school known as Rugby School, where his father was the headmaster. Matthew Arnold was a very brilliant student at his early age. He studied at Oxford University. Matthew Arnold composed poetry at a very early stage when he was a student of Oxford University. The title of the poem is Cromwell. Arnold continued to write poetry, criticism, essays, cultural essays, and others for a long time. If we look at Matthew Arnold, we find that Matthew Arnold was a great man. He was a learned person. He was under deep influence of Homer, Dante, Shakespeare, John Milton, and others. There are some other people who impacted Matthew Arnold very much. They are Edmund Spenser, a great thinker and philosopher of England. William Wordsworth, John Keats, and others. Matthew Arnold wrote Shobra and Rustam. Then he wrote The Scholar Gypsy. He composed Tiresias, a great elegy on the death of Arthur Hugh Clough. He wrote essays on criticism, first edition, essay on criticism, second edition. He also penned Culture and Anarchy, which is a landmark prose work. Matthew Arnold established himself as a poet, as a critic, and as a thinker. As a poet, he practiced what he thought as a critic. His poetry is criticism of life. In criticism, he applied touchstone method of criticism. In this method, Matthew Arnold advocates that a poet should be compared to a great poet like Homer, Dante, Shakespeare, and Milton. His essay on Culture and Anarchy deals with culture. He says that culture is greater than any other thing. He also talks about anarchy in length. To sum up, Matthew Arnold was a great poet, critic, thinker of his time. He influenced English literature deeply. Thanks a lot.